Your website's got a virus. The first thing you want to do is get into File Manager from Control Panel and have a look at your website's directory. So I'll go into public HTML, and as you can see, there's a whole bunch of files that don't belong. For example, this file here, so we can right click, go view, and this is all. Once you see evaluation and all these code here, it's a sure sign that it's infected with the virus. So the best thing to do is get a new copy of this website. Now, how do you find the version of this website when the main website itself doesn't load and you can't log into the admin side, the dashboard? One way to do it is go into the includes folder and scroll down till you have the version PHP file. So let's go view, and we can see here it says the WordPress version is 6.3. So what we do now is go to the official WordPress website. We can download 6.3.1. However, I do recommend you go to all releases and you download the version that's the problem. So let's go and download this one. So it's downloading there, and I would make a new folder here, which, for example, I'll make a new one. I think I had made this one, yes. I've got 6.2, so I could upload. Here we go. So we upload this version. Close this window. We reload. Okay, so we've got version 6.3. I will rename this to 4. Let's extract it. So we go right click, extract here. Okay, so we've got now a virus-free version of WordPress. That's the same version as the website. So what I would do here, I will rename this as virus. As you can see, I've got a few already virus named directories. That's fine. This is for a video demonstration. So let's go back here. So we're going to copy this, right click, go to copy, and we'll call it public HTML. So we'll copy it. Okay, so this is how the website should look like without a virus. The other thing you need to do is click on settings and make sure you show hidden files, because viruses are also in hidden files, and if this is not ticked, you won't be able to see them. So let's compare this with the virus, which was the 5. There's a lot more files in here that are not needed. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is copy the images. So if we go here and we go to the images, so let's have a look where the images are. They're under content, uploads, and we need to copy all these things into the fresh copy. However, As I said, it's good to look at these hidden files because these are probably infected with viruses as well. So if we can go to view, and indeed there's a virus here too. So this should not be in here. So what we need to do is delete these files before we copy it across. Otherwise, we will be copying the virus to the fresh copy. Again, we can click on view. Again, this is a virus, so there's no such thing as lock 360. And this, all this is it's allow from all to access these files. So we don't want that. So let's delete this. Go up one level, so we check for, that's fine. Also good to check if there's any other JavaScripts in here or PHP files. It should be just JPEGs and PNG files. 5. I assume this is a virus as well. Yes. So let's go and delete all these. Delete. Delete. And delete this one. This one's probably a virus as well. It is. So we can delete this file as well. Elemental, we can regenerate this file, so we can delete this. So let's go back to uploads. Okay, so this is all fine, so we now can copy it. So to copy it across, we just delete this and it will be placed in the correct version. So let's have a look here now. So uploads is there, plugins is there, and the themes are there. Now if we look at the existing themes here in the virus website, we can see they use Hello Elemental. So instead of copying this one, which could have a virus, let's have a look here. Yes, this has got a virus, so nothing can be trusted. So instead of copying this, we will log into the website and we will then be able to install a fresh copy. Same with the plugins. We can see there's Elementor and Elementor Pro. So if we look over here, again there is a virus here. The other thing you need to copy is the config file, otherwise it will not work. So let's have a look at this. Usually these are fine, so I won't open it up because it's got the passwords of the databases and I don't want to show them. So we'll just copy this across. So it should be here. So let's go back here. Let's reload this. Still not working, but that is probably because the theme needs to be installed. So let's see if we can log in to the website and see what happens. Okay, so if we can log in. Okay, we've logged in. Let's go to media. We've got the pictures in here. Beautiful. So let's go, hello Elementor, we'll add a new one. We'll install this one. Install, activate it. And thank you. So let's install the actual plugin. Okay, so Elementor has been installed. And now the website should load. Okay, the website loads. It looks a little bit wonky. I assume that is because the Elementor Pro plugin needs to be installed. Now, I will copy it from an OK version that I had done before. So let's go to content here, plugins. So let's go to copy, copy it across. If not, I would download it from the Elementor website. Okay, let's have a look now what this website looks like. Still not looking good. Okay, so we need to maybe go to tools, regenerate files and data, sync library. And let's go back now. Okay, so the website's back. Very good. So now we have a virus-free website. So let's have a look again into the file manager. So this is a clean website. It's a very simple website and it only had one theme. And in fact, I would delete all these other themes. We don't need them. And only keep Elementor theme. And the other thing we can do is go into the plugins. You've got some protection here, we don't need that. So it's a very simple website with Elementor, Elementor Pro, and the website will run nice. And we can delete Hello Dolly as well to keep it very clean. If you wanted a firewall, I do recommend Ninja Firewall. This is a good plugin that I've used that seems to do a good job in protecting against attacks. So let's activate this. So if we go to Ninja Firewall, we can go activate full WAF mode because it's currently working on WordPress. Sometimes this might not work, but if you can get it to work, it's good to activate it. Okay, so firewall is running in full WAF. Now, sometimes there is database corruption and there are ways to fix this as well, but this is the main way to clean a website and clean it good from a virus.